CSE, Center for Science and Environment, set up in 1981 by pioneering environmentalist Mr. Anil Kumar Agarwal, and widely considered India's leading independent multidisciplinary research and advocacy organization. From campaigning aquatic climate change negotiations, help in cleaning the air in Indian cities, and sparking a nationwide movement, water literacy include water and wastewater management. CSC is designed by architect B.V. Doshi, where late Anil Kumar Agarwal being the founder director of CSC. They spread their message through government officials, NGOs, teachers, local communities, as well as through the students. In recognition of knowledge-based advocacy, CSC has won prestigious awards including the 2005 Stockholm Water Prize. Global Think Tank Index ranked CSC as the most influential environmental think tanks of the developing world in 2014. CSC. It is located in one of the oldest cities of Delhi, that is Tughlaqabad, Industrial Area, New Delhi, India.
Proximity for CSC building. Nearest airport is 14 kilometers away. Nearest metro station is 6.5 kilometers away. Nearest fire station is 1.3 kilometers away. Nearest police station is 600 meters away. And Batra Hospital is 227 meters away. Nearest metro station is Tughlaqabad metro station, but the convenient way to reach CSC building is to go by Yellow Line and from Saket metro station get an auto to Batra Hospital, which approximately takes 20 minutes from where CSC building is at walking distance of 3 minutes. The main landmark to CSC building is Batra Hospital, and the other two landmarks are National Rifle Association of India and NDIM College for MBA. Orientation of windows in the building is done in very interesting manner, as in all directions there are large windows and open spaces for natural lighting and ventilation. But in south direction, in order to manage heat gain, wall area for windows are pushed outwards, and then on both the adjacent sides of pushed window wall, windows are placed, which helps in natural lighting and ventilation. Also, light color of building provides maximum reflection to the sunlight.
Passive design techniques which have been used in the building, for example, solar panels for generating energy for the building. Use of common construction materials results in interactive combination of outer and inner spaces, in contrast to what B.V. Doshi stated in his philosophy. Soakways stands out as a medium for the rainwater harvesting. The terrace of the first block of CSC building has been designed for holding the purpose of canteen, consisting moving lower blades for periodic heat exchange. The gradual decrease in the floor area as we move from plinth level to terrace level results in creating multiple balconies which helps in serving a connection between the interiors and the microclimate of the building.
Treatment of wastewater is done in the building as they reuse it for horticultural purposes. Grey water from canteen is channeled to grease trap. Here most of scum and oil is intercepted, allowing only clear grey water to flow under gravitational force into settling chambers. Black or grey water from the building go directly to the settler. Underground network of settling chambers and filtration system called anaerobic baffle reactor directs the combination of black and grey water to several tanks. Though the organic contents are taken care of, the wastewater still has nutrients, such as nitrates and phosphates. For more filtration, the water is fed to nutrient-hungry wetland plants that soak the nutrients through their roots. And then to treat odor of the water, it is passed through vortex to oxidize water under continuous loop.
Center for Science and Environment used 4 types of leaves: palm, kadam, cactus and maua, which gives the description about the plant species used for landscaping and idea behind the logo design. Director Sunita Narayan and other colleagues push and advocate for the solutions that are equitable, affordable and so sustainable. CSC builds capacities for public institutions, regulators, government agencies, NGOs as well as private sectors on sustainable management practices. CSC helps in reducing overall impact of the built environment on human health and the natural environment by efficiently using energy, water and other resources, protecting occupants' health, improving employees' productivity, reducing waste, pollution and environmental degradation.